So we're experiencing some massive volatility in the crypto market. You know, ADA ran to 93 cents, down to about 88 cents now at the time of filming this video. This is about an hour after I filmed my earlier one. And you need to know that there's going to be a lot more craziness before we get to $100,000 BTC, before we get to $1 ADA. But that may in fact be happening sooner than people realize, because right now there are still people betting so heavily against the crypto market, despite us having the largest week we have ever seen in crypto. I'm Luckside. Welcome to the channel. If you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So the good news about this is when we see retracements in ADA and other assets around the space, there are some good opportunities to accumulate. I'm not telling you guys to buy here. You can always do what you want, but we have pulled back from obviously 93 cents. That is our new cycle high. That is a very important step towards this $1 threshold in terms of ADA. That is a very big moment that when we cross, I think the switch is going to flip for a lot of people. There's a lot of people sitting on the sideline right now, not doing a whole lot. BTC pulling back right now to about 97.7 at the time of filming this video, with a cycle high of, or an all-time high of 99.5. So very close to that $100,000 threshold. Now, why this is happening is we're dealing with some profit taking. We've gotten into a little bit of long liquidations, not surprising at all, right? But the biggest thing that BTC has been doing time and time again is liquidating shorts, liquidating shorts, liquidating shorts. And if you guys haven't noticed, we have a big short interest right up here at about 100K. In fact, there's been some short interest that's opened up at this 99.6 level. And so it wouldn't surprise me if, as BTC makes a little bit of recovery, it starts to climb and liquidate a bunch of these shorts. In fact, it may blow right past 100K, right? There is obviously long interest to the downside. Like I said, we're liquidating some of these positions right now, but the natural place that the market wants to run is up, right? ADA wants to move to the upside, BTC wants to move to the upside, and this will get even larger as more capital hits the space. And coincidentally enough, the crazy thing about BTC is we have now seen the largest week of institutional money we have ever seen. In 4 days, $2.9 billion worth of of BTC added by institutional money alone. It's creating massive short liquidations. It's creating a lot of FOMO in the market. It's actually instilling a lot of confidence, which is very important for the alt season that we have ahead that we're still not in, right? If you guys remember back here, this run up was made possible by the exact same thing we're seeing right now. I'd say we're probably right about here in terms of excitement. Okay. Like if you guys haven't noticed, there's not a whole lot of people that are super excited about the crypto market right now. We are in ADA because it's been doing so well, but for the most part, everything else is kind of blah, blah, not a whole lot going on. Not a whole lot of, some outside money coming in, but not a crazy amount, not even close to the wave that we're going to see. But when this $100,000 threshold is hit, don't be surprised by that big wave hitting the market. And again, what is making this possible is this huge supply shock that's happening in terms of BTC, all-time lows in terms of available supply and exchanges, and then massive short liquidations, right? Now, let's look at ADA, right? What's present? Huge supply shock hitting ADA, big short liquidations, tons of people betting against ADA, waiting for this pullback, waiting for this retracement, which it's still insane to me that since November 5th, ADA's had two red days. All right. Even yesterday that started as a red day became a green day. And right now it's looking like this is probably going to be a green day. We'll see what happens. And ADA's now climbed back to close to 90 cents again. This is the volatility that I'm talking about. Now, what's interesting about this is, people want to know, when are we going to cross $1? When is BTC going to hit 100K? Well, it may, I don't want to say it may happen today. It may happen today, but we're on the verge of this happening. And actually it wouldn't surprise me if ADA is somewhere around $1 about at the time that BTC crosses 100K. All right. Now, this isn't a guarantee. This isn't financial advice, but people need to look at this next stop for ADA, right? And this is this 1,000 sat mark. All right. This is the quest that we've been on to trying to get back to. This has been our long-term trend in terms of ADA. And right now it wants to climb so badly back to this range. So at $100,000 BTC, $1 ADA, that's 1,000 sats. Okay. Would make a lot of sense for ADA to be at that point, at that moment. All right. Now, is it going to happen? Maybe, right? We're again still waiting to see how the market's going to digest this current data, this current BTC price movement. Maybe people get a little spooked. Maybe retail decides to sell off, take a little profits, right? Nobody knows what the trends are going to be, but there's one thing for certain, and that is that this big boom in the crypto market hasn't even started yet. That's what's so wild about this. That's what gets me so excited for this market cycle, because this is just the tease. Right now, the crypto market's like a fourth. It's like a quarter of the global market cap we're going to see by the end of this cycle. That's probably all you need to know, frankly. Again, if you guys do want to check out Margex, there's a referral link in the description below. My longs are still open. I'll let you guys know when I'm planning on closing these. It's not anytime soon. Again, this one's been open since September 2nd, currently up 1,725%, down a little bit from earlier. Go figure, as prices come down. This has come down as well. But this is where, again, if you want to bet against ADA, you can do so. But me personally, I'm not doing that. But I just wanted to share that with you guys. Again, you guys can check out that link in the description below. We're in some pretty exciting times. We have a big wave that's about to hit. We're not even at alt season yet, but these thresholds, when they do get hit, it's going to be like a trigger. All right. You're going to see huge waves of capital, huge amounts of excitement start hitting the market. And ADA right now is looking like it's going to be one of the biggest recipients of that. So appreciate you guys. Have a great day. Show your love below. Let me know your thoughts. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.